Greetings pachivhiti-vhiti chenyu Zima HD apo patinoone nhoroondo dzakasiyana-siyana maringe nenyika yeZimbabwe. Zvaizvozvi tine nyaya yatoda kuti tikuzivisei mhuri yeZimbabwe iri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe. So tine leaked audio riripo pano riri kutaura zvakasiyana-siyana, asi ndoda kuti utudzewo mafungiro ako kuti iwe unofunge chii nenyaya iyi, nekuti nyaya iyi ndeyangu newe nevanhu vese nyika yeZimbabwe. That's why uri kuona tiri kuuyisa nyaya dzakafanana naidzi. So chisarai muchinzwa.
Good morning, ambassadors. Good morning, fellow Zimbabweans. Good morning, our liberators. Good morning, the chairman of the people, Comrade Jeff Judah Osana. I would like to say something on the issue of the Ndebele and the pain they have, how they have been ill-treated by the ZANU-PF government. There is a member who said something, quite a mouthful. He is from Munkai. He did not put his name, but he wrote a text above there. Let me just say something, brother. I hope you will listen to this audio. I am answering particularly to you and to help other people from Ndebele land and some Ndebele people elsewhere or throughout the region or in the world. As you have heard before, our chairman has laid it out bare that this massacre that was done by the 6th Brigade, it was a plot by the ZANU-PF, Nyasaland guys and the Mumbwa guys from Zambia. It was a plot to divide us Zimbabweans, the Shonas and the Ndebeles. It is only after the chairman had said this, that's when we start seeing now, oh, surely, no matter what, there is no citizen who can massacre 20,000 people from another tribe, no matter what. You know, that was not a war. It was not, there was no war. People were killed mercilessly. Pregnant women, they were being butchered, their stomachs opened and the fetus brought out. That was a heinous crime against humanity. And it's not the Shona people, it's not Zimbabweans, it's foreigners who are in power. These guys worked a very, very deceitful, a very, very satanic operation to put a wedge between the Shonas and the Ndebeles. Guys in Ndebeles, we don't hate you. We love you so much and we feel for you personally. And I know a lot of people who feel like this. I feel so bad. I feel for the Ndebele people. Even the way they are being treated by opposition politics in Zimbabwe, they are used. See what happened with the Thokozani Kupe. Every Shona, every person from the Mashonaland who wants to form a political party, he goes to Ndebele land because they know the Ndebele people hate ZANU-PF because of the massacres. So that is an open check for political support, for political membership. But that's not right. That's not it. Starting with the Ndebele, Nkomo sold out, or rather, he saw that he was old and he was going to die fighting and they would get people killed by ZANU-PF. But there is no unity. There is no unity that was forged between ZANU-PF and ZAPU. There is no unity at all. If there was unity, tell me the reason why Mabena was not buried at the National Heroes Acre. Why Dubiso Dabengwa was not buried at the National Heroes Acre. Tell me why today as we speak, where is Shinga Dube going to be buried? To those who don't know, Colonel Shinga Dube is passed now. I think he was buried yesterday, or is going to be buried today or sometime. I don't have that on record, but what I know is he passed away. Where is he going to be buried? He refused to be buried in the National Heroes Acre. Why? Because of the hate. That unit accord is a farce. That's a lie. You can't tell me that there's a unity between ZANU PF and the ZAPU, yet it's ZANU PF. There's no ZAPU even in the unit. There's no name, there's no word, there's no space for ZAPU. It was a swallowing. I called it the Python theory, whereby there will only be peace when it has swallowed the goat. Before the goat is swallowed, there is no peace. It is ravaging. Yes, the Ndebeles have got a right to complain, to say whatever they say, and we have to accommodate those grievances and address them, sit down with them, not killing them. So the guy who is from Mukai, who was talking up there, I would urge you to cool down, understand this situation, that it was not the Shoners, it was made by a clique of foreigners in Zimbabwe who are in power. And that is ZANU PF. Mugabe is not a Zimbabwean. Mnangagwa is not a Zimbabwean. And imagine Mnangagwa was the one who was in charge of internal security during that time. So I promise you, once we go on a transitional government, the Ndebeles must be attended to. Matabeleland will be attended to. It will never be treated like a growth point. Never. There is a lot of infrastructure that must be put in Matabeleland, in Bulawayo. The Zambezi water project, why do we still have no water in Bulawayo today, 43 years after, 44 years after independence? Why? But the Zambezi water project was started way back. It only comes during election times. After that, they abandon it. And there is a water problem in Matabeleland, and they have now reduced that city into a growth point. No, that's not fair. Don't we have count the amount, count the number of minerals, of natural resources that we are getting from Matabeleland? Where is the biggest national park in Zimbabwe? Where is Victoria Falls? Where are the plantation, the wood that we use? Tell me, don't we get anything from Matabeleland such that we can develop it? That is Zimbabwe. But I would urge the Ndebele people to understand that, no, we feel for you, and we will address this. We will address this. We will address the massacre issue. We will address the water problem, the Zambezi water project, all the roads that have been used for political campaigns and they've just been abandoned. We are going to look into that, and the Matabeleland will be just like any other place in Zimbabwe, any other developmental issue that is supposed to take place in Mtoko. It must just take place also in Matabeleland. Brother, cool down. Bear with the situation. Let's join hands and fight this satanic evil from the foreigners in ZANU PF. Thank you very much. Please cool off.
Right, ndofunga munhu wese ari pano azvinzwira, so tudzowo mafungiro ako kuti iwe unofunga chii ende ungatipo advice yechii panyaya iyi. So thank you mbuye Zimbabwe nekuona kwamuneta pachivhitivhiti chedu zuva nezuva paZim HD. Thank you.